always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time.
Hello and welcome to my home. My name is Ashley Marie. I'm 28 years old from Australia. I'm a mum to 2 girls and my kitchen is very messy, so I'm bringing you guys along for the ride tonight. I hope that you're either cleaning along with me or you get some serious cleaning motivation from this video. If you saw my last video at the end, I did say that I was going to do an in-depth night routine for you guys. That was totally the plan. However, life gets in the way. I would rather be making memories with my children during the day and just cleaning up this mess at night. But this isn't how it is every night. This is extremely messy for me. As I was cooking, I was not cleaning as I was going. Throughout the day, we didn't unpack the dishwasher, so everything just piled up into the sink. I let it go.
Saw your face in the crowd and I think we're all dies. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, and a friend, you're a friend, never thought I would see you.
A very important part of my night routine is to make sure that I am finishing all the tasks that I have started for the day. So I did start making banana bread. I didn't get very far, don't get me wrong, but I started it. So I did make sure that I finished that. And I want to get all these crumbs out of this area. This is a anxiety prone mess for me. If I see this in the morning with all those crumbs, if they're getting on my feet, on the floor, that sort of thing, I'm going to get seriously anxious about it. So I want to make sure that the coffee machine is also clean and ready to go. The first thing I go to in the morning after my children is the coffee machine. So important task there.
Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two.
Getting my toddler to eat dinner hasn't been the easiest task in the world, so desserts have been a great one for that. Just saying that she can't have any dessert until she has her dinner. So I've been making sure to bake a cake or a brownie, something like that. My toddler did help me ice it, which was another reason I wasn't really cleaning as I was going, because I wanted to make sure I was keeping an eye on her and I was giving her my full attention. I know that these times aren't going to last. These are literally the good old times I'm going to look back on. So I'm so happy to stay up cleaning these messes if it means that I have a better quality time with my children while they're awake. And yeah, these times aren't going to last. They're not going to be here forever. So enjoy them while I can.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Some nights after I'm done putting the girls to bed, I literally walk out into the kitchen and just want to cry at this mess. I don't want to touch it, I just want to go straight to bed. And don't get me wrong, sometimes I do. That's when you'll generally find a morning motivation video come from me, because I just have that much to do in the morning. I do like everything to be reset, refresh, and ready to go for the next day. But if that doesn't happen, that's okay. We can start again tomorrow. If you are new here, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe and join our little community, and let me know down in the comments below if you are new. Say hi, because I would love to say hi back.
Guess I need more of you. You say you're doing night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
If you are a returning subscriber, you would know that we rent at this property. This dishwasher here is a replacement. It got replaced about a year ago now, and it's much smaller than the one we had before. We're just not accustomed to it. Even after all this time, I'm still running it twice a day. Like, I know it's a smaller dishwasher, but I feel like that's a little bit silly. Let me know how many times you guys are running your dishwasher. I'm sure most of you are going to say once and that's it, but I'm finding that I can run it probably 2 to 3 times a day if I wanted to, but I try to limit it to 1.
The best of you was a no-show, even though I never thought so. I never knew you were with someone new. Memory scenes in slow-mo, like I was born with a GoPro. I never knew you were with someone new. There are things that I can't ignore. Let go, let go. You're not the same as you were before. Let go, let go. Let me stay the night again. I'm down and now I need a friend. Just let me stay the
Everything that can fit into the dishwasher has been rinsed and placed in there. There are some things that either can't fit or shouldn't go in the dishwasher at all, so I'm going to hand wash those. It's just super important to me that I have a really fresh, clean sink to work with. I can't wash things in a dirty area. That goes for myself in the bathroom, that goes for my dishes in the sink. It just has to be a fresh, clean slate to work with.
life was an ocean. I still believe you're counting on me. Killing time and it's so slow. Always like this when you're solo. I still have the feels. You're counting on me. There are things that I can't ignore. Let go, let go. You're not the same as you were before. Let go, let go. Let me stay the night again. I'm down and now I need a friend. Just let me stay the night again.
You guys will have to let me know down in the comments below. Would you have left this mess for the next morning, or would you have tackled it tonight? For me, I have to tackle it the night before, well, as much as I can possibly do physically, because waking up mentally to this mess would just be exhausting in itself. And if you guys didn't know that hack of just putting a dishwashing tablet into a baking tray, pouring some boiling water over it and leaving it till the next day, that's what I'm doing, because I probably should have tackled it before. If you guys saw in my recent video, I did get a new dinnerware set. I actually picked up a second one. I found it in the return section of Kmart. It was marked down from $25 down to $8. I couldn't believe it. I was shook. The only thing missing out of the set was a bowl, a singular bowl, and marked down from $25 to $8 is just amazing. So I really wish that the set I had originally bought was a set of 6. Now I have the set of 6. I'm so happy about it. I have more than 6 now, but that's okay. And I'm finally getting to the end of this kitchen. What I love to do is I love to pour some boiling hot water into the sink after I've put a couple drops of essential oils in there. I also picked up some towels from Kmart today. I think that is such an underrated feeling, is fresh towels and fresh bedding. Like going and buying yourself a high quality pillow is just, that is adult. That is living adult life to its best, if you ask me. But we are getting to the end of it now. We're putting little bits away. We're picking everything up, getting the high chair ready for tomorrow because that's an important factor. I also find that getting Sophie's water bottle, just setting yourself up for success as much as possible while you have the time the night before. For example, I am not going to be washing this pram tonight, but it is something that needs to be done, so I'm just going to prep it. I'm going to pull everything out of it. I'm going to get the seats ready just to go at it in the morning. I will feel so much more motivated seeing it ready to go and prepared like that.
Forever, I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving.
Another thing I love to do is to get the kids' clothes ready. This makes my morning so much easier, and also if, say, we're running late or Dylan wants to get them dressed, I have it all ready to go right there. You can just grab the tub and go. Next task is to take the rubbish out, and I don't mind if it's shopping or if it's rubbish. I'm only taking one trip.
Forever, 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 forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I'm pretty sure it was my last video that I said I don't feel like it's clean if the sink is full of dishes being dried. I just see it as such a clutter, such a mess, so they actually need to be dried and put away before I go to bed, unless I'm extremely tired. And then I'm going to clean up this magic.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't.
But that's it for today's video, guys. I want to say thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you're not already and come back to my home next week. I'd love to have you, and give the video a big thumbs up as it really helps to support my channel. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss